Alright guys, check out. It's a little bit windy, so I don't know what that's going to do to the audio. We're here. Check out this cool little truck. Hopefully you guys will be able to see how cool it is. It's the Ishin truck. It's been all blinged up. And just going around here a little bit. As you can see, there's a lot of water. Which makes it a little bit difficult, so hopefully we won't end up in the lake, because that would not be so cool. And hopefully we won't do a tumble-wumble, because it's not much fun to go pick this thing up. But maybe we can just get around some of these cool rocks here, as we're able to do here. And we're going to go around the bend here, and come straight back through here. This should be easy, unless I totally mess it up. Oh, tell me I didn't. Oh, look at that. This is the crawler you've all been dreaming of. It is just so incredibly cool. It's not going to make it up this bit here. That's asking a little bit too much of it. But just the fact that it can go over things like this is pretty amazing for such a little truck, and it's rather on the less expensive side compared to some of the other trucks that you will find. So this is pretty amazing considering the price tag and all that. But, oh, a little bit hard. It needs more power. That Kevin Talbot would tell you, it needs more power. Just a little bit. But you can get around it this way, as you just saw there. You can get around other ways and still do what you want. Just find the right path. That's part of the reason why crawling is so much fun, is because you get to learn about driving skills in ways that you probably wouldn't if you were driving something else. You really need to negotiate different strategies in order to get to where you want to go. And clearly this truck is a really good one for that kind of thing. There we go. The Redcat Racing. And how cool does it look with the new bling that I put on it? I think it's really cool. And I hope you guys like it too, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Take care, guys.